Hi, it's Carlo and Sandy, and welcome back to our vlog.
Welcome back.
Today we are going to talk about some of the things inside our cabinets.
You must be curious what's inside.
Yep. So we have the forward hatch, which Carlo is in charge of.
I'm responsible for this area. We have the duct tape area, Velcro, some tools,
Yeah.
double-sided tape, and then we have the charging cords, measuring tape, and camera accessories, and
Other things
other
in
things
there.
like tire black. And we've got a bag of headlamps,
Flashlights.
and caps.
He's even got a book of knots.
book of knots in case we had to knot something.
Yeah, and here we have some, what's that called? Felt?
Felt
Yeah, and then his shovel,
and binoculars and
replacement latches, and the phone stand. Here is our snack cabinet right next to his forward cabinet, and we have all the snacks here just to keep us, we're snacky people. So we got chippy, pickup, pretzels, beans, and just things that are easy to whip up when we don't really want to do a full meal.
oh, the pantry.
Yeah. This is where we store our coffee, our tea, our oil, condiments, salt and pepper. Hot sauce is a big thing for us because we like our food
And lots
spicy.
of condiments too.
Yeah.
There's my pate.
Yeah. Pate. And then we have bangus in can. That's really good, made by Century Tuna. Shout out. Thank you very much. And here is our toiletries, more personal things, our medicine, first aid, our natural eucalyptus and lavender sprays by Eucapro, which is actually sold by Crystal Magic. We will put the link below. And in our pull-out drawers, we have extra masks, vitamins, more bug spray. We're in a tropical country, so bug sprays are important. Alcohol, more bug spray, and just other things like
That's
our
the most
Ecto
used
bags.
cabinet, actually.
Yeah, our tissue, our wet wipes, they're all in there under. And then on the second pull-out drawer, we've got our extra lights for outdoors, my pencil case, I've got extra power banks in there.
Notebooks.
Yeah.
David stuff.
Mostly, yeah, David's activity books, his crayons, and that thing is our mosquito screen, which we put by the door when we sleep at night.
People ask me where we put our clothes. I told them it's in a separate bag. It's
Yeah.
more efficient, convenient.
And in our cooler, that's actually where the real food is. So the meats are under there. We got bread,
It
tortillas.
stays for 4 days in that cooler.
Yeah. And how we get our water. So our water is pumped and powered by this 12-volt water pump, which is connected to our clean water potable water tank. It's a 5-gallon. Here is our fire extinguisher. And like I said earlier, we really love this Eucapro all-natural sprays. So even if you inhale it, you know that you're not taking in chemicals because it's all natural. And that's by Crystal Magic. Again, we are going to put the link below. So this is our gray water tank. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.